This is event 102, heat 30. Swimming in lane 0, Grace Marian Ann of Golden Sea Eagles. Lane 1, Therese Anica Quinto, Peru's Elite Swimming Team. Lane 2, Sofia Lucero, FTW Royal Swim Club. Lane 3, Eliana Isabel Rodriguez of PCA Stingray. Lane 4, Mish Kasi of FTW Royal Swim Club. Lane 5, Christine Jane Uy of PCA Stingray. Lane 6, Riel Aislinn Jan Antonio of FTW Royal Swim Club. Lane 7, Crystal Ava David of Golden Sea Eagles. Lane 8, Sofia Gara of Wind Runner Swim Club. Lane 9, Jamela Manokan of Paraiso de Baste Swimming Team.
Go, Sophie!